Hey, back up, dude. I don't want you to get hit. Back up. Over there. Good move. Good move.
Do you realize you created a dangerous situation? Now they're chasing him. Do you realize how dangerous that is? Seriously,
Seriously, it is very dangerous the way you guys handle this.
I can't believe you
Very
guys.
dangerous.
You screwed up tonight.
You really
You screwed up.
screwed up multiple times.